Hey everyone, Andy with Blue Diamond here. I'm getting ready to clean 14 faux woods. It's getting stacked up right there. There's a couple hanging up. And here is the tank. I have the, you can see how clear it is. I have the wash side with the detergent in it. And then I have the rinse side. It just has has another solution in there that's like a drying agent. But once again, you can see that both are really clear. And then when I get done, you'll see what it looks like and see how dirty the wash side gets. This side, the rinse side, gets a little bit dirty, but not like the wash side. So, all right. Okay, here's one I wanted you guys to see. This one is really dirty. They're all pretty dirty, but you can really see how dirty this one is, like especially towards the bottom there. You can see where my fingerprint kind of was, where I grabbed it to pull it down. And yeah, once we clean it, I'll rehang it and you can see what it looks like after. Alright, okay, so here's the blind, getting ready to go in the machine. See all that dirt there. And the machine will just melt that stuff off. Probably still have to do a little scrubbing just because it's been on there for so long. But I'll show you the end result when we're done. Okay, so this is the blind afterwards, cleaned. And as you can see, I mean, it's just sparkling clean, man. You can't get a clean like this from any other method of cleaning the blinds. It's yeah, it's truly as impressive. Here's the head rail, spotless. No dirt, anything in there, nothing's left in there. So, all right. Okay, so all finished up. I'm going to show you guys the tank. The left side is the wash side, and you'll be able to see my hand slowly disappear. And that's barely in there, so you can, you know, when we started, this was clear. The water was pretty clear, and as you can see, it's pretty murky. And then here is that's the rinse side. So you can see my hand. Obviously, it's a little bit. It's got a little bit of stuff in there, but nothing like the wash side. You can see this is the rinse side. So it was still pretty clean. Obviously, not like when we started. But this wash side is, you know, there's just nothing but there's going to be sludge in there when I drain the tank. So that's what was on the blinds. So yeah, I got all that muck and grime off. But yeah, that was a lot of accumulation of dirt over the years. So I hadn't probably been clean in 10 years. All right.